Hey gang, it's Ryan from Skid Steer Nation. Today we've got a novice skid steer operator operating a Do-More skid steer grader for the first time. He's never used one of these before. He's got the skid steer more for his business and a little bit of work around the house. So he's not a contractor, he does not do this every day. We've been out here, he's been grading this driveway that you can see for about 5 or 7 minutes, and he's making quite a progress with it. One of the unique benefits of the SSHA series graders is that they allow you to work in both directions. There's 2 cutting edges facing forwards and 2 cutting edges facing in reverse. So you're able to maximize the time that you have in the field by working in both directions. Gone are the days of pushing one way and then backing up, doing nothing in the dirt to make another pass. So we're able to cut the time of this project literally in half. It has an open flow through design, so the material isn't being transported like you do with a bucket. It's literally floating over the cutting edges and then laying right back down into the driveway. So we're grading it, we're mixing it, mixing the smalls and the fines, maintaining that proper mix, not having any segregation, and laying that material right back down where we got it from. You are able to tilt the front or the back of the grader up or down a little bit in order to make that blade roll and dig a little bit deeper. But typically we do about 3/4, 7/8 of an inch per pass. The material gets loosened up. You make a second pass, you're able to grade a little deeper. When we do get into some of those deeper potholes, I'll just sit there and work it just in that one area back and forth to get all that dug out, so we're not just filling in that hole with loose material. The SSHA also has really good sight lines, so you're able to see we are actually up close to a building, and he is able to grade right up to the edge of it. You can also use the SSHA to backdrag rock piles and spread driveways, parking lots, parking areas.